Stop thinking insurance is about policies and riders. Hindi yan ang binibili mo, but you're buying peace of mind para sa pamilya mo. Kahit nung panahon pa ng caveman, people are afraid of something. They are afraid of tiger, saber-tooth, or fire. Ngayon takot tayo mawala ng income, magkasakit, o iwan ang pamilya natin ng walang seguridad. Dahil ang totoo, hindi mo talaga gustong bumili ng insurance. Hindi mo hinahanap ang terms at riders or features. Ang gusto mo yung assurance na kahit anong mangyari, tuloy ang pag-aaral ng anak mo. Just like nobody wants to pay a dentist pero kailangan para maging healthy and good-looking ang ngipin natin. Unlike a dentist, insurance gives you something deeper, the confidence to live life without constant fear of what ifs. Kaya kung breadwinner ka or parent ka, tandaan mo you're not paying for life insurance, you're investing sa security ng pamilya mo. You're buying freedom from what ifs. And that's what you truly want. Hindi ba? Hindi insurance, kundi seguridad para sa pamilya mo.